How to fix Telegram download problem. Hey everybody, if you're having that issue, today in this video, let's just dive right into the solutions and see how we can fix it. So for that, you can go ahead and first thing you can do is check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to internet that is working properly because that may be the issue. After that, the next step, the next solution you can apply up is clearing the cache of the app. So for that, you can long press on the app of the Telegram. And once you do that, at the top of your Telegram, you should be finding an info section. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you do that, you should be finding this interface. So you can scroll down and go to storage from this section. And from here, you should be finding an option that says clear cache. You can tap on this option to clear any kind of glitches that may be having on Telegram. Apart from that, make sure your app is also updated to the latest version. For that, if you're on Android, you can head over to Play Store first. And from there, go to the search bar and search for Telegram. After that, if any kind of update is available for this application, you can just go ahead and update it. Once that is done, the last step you can also apply is restarting your device. Sometimes that also fixes the issue. So for now, apply those solutions. If that doesn't work, you can just comment down below. So thank you for watching those videos and we will see you on the next one.